here at home, we are continuing to track the path of Hurricane Henri and the possibility of flash flooding in our area. Meteorologist Lauren Casey here with what we can expect overnight into tomorrow. Lauren, bring us up to speed.
Thanks so much, Joe. Yeah, the main threat that we're going to see here in the Delaware and Lehigh valleys from Henri is going to be heavy rainfall and that potential for flooding and flash flooding. Current conditions right now. Low clouds looming over Center City, Philadelphia, 76 degrees, dew points up there in the low 70s. We're contending with this tropical air mass in place, so it is downright steamy. Current conditions, we're reporting some rain in Mount Pocono, Allentown, Trenton, dry for the moment in Philadelphia and down the shore as well. Not going to stay that way for long. Checking in on our tropical alerts, do have a tropical storm warning in effect for Monmouth County, New Jersey, New York City, and also hurricane warnings in effect for central and eastern Long Island, southern Connecticut, and southern portions of Rhode Island as Hurricane Henri continues to make an approach. Now starting to see some lightning strikes being picked up at the center of Henri. Not great news, meaning Henri could be potentially strengthening with that convection getting going near the center. That plume of moisture streaming in to New Jersey and PA, and we'll continue to see this rain moving in from southeast to northwest throughout the overnight period, and it likely will start to fill in and pick up in intensity in New York City. Flash flood warnings in effect with that heavy rain continuing to move in association with Henri, and we could see some heavy rain throughout the overnight period as well. Notice especially over the last couple of frames that moisture and rainfall starting to kind of fill in there just offshore and starting to see some heavy rain. Look how quickly that popped up right north of Atlantic City very quickly, and that's a concern throughout the overnight period and through the duration of this event. Our flood watch doesn't expire until 8 a.m. on Monday. So Philadelphia and surrounding suburbs, heavy rain, flash flooding, the main threats. Same case down the shore and at the Delaware beaches. Also, that elevated risk for dangerous rip currents. Winds not going to be too much of a concern. Could see some isolated gusts around 40, 45 miles per hour, but otherwise not going to be a primary concern for us either in the Lehigh Valley, far northwestern suburbs. But heavy rain and flash flooding will be, even though you're going to be the furthest away from Henri. But for tonight, rounds of heavy rain and thunderstorms in store, down to 72 degrees. And then for our day tomorrow, we will have periods of no rainfall, lulls in the activity, maybe even breaks of sunshine. But keep an eye to the sky because we will be dealing with times of rain, some heavy and thunderstorms moving through. That's going to be the case down the shore as well. Certainly not the best beach day. High temperatures near 80 degrees, and that dangerous risk of rip currents is going to continue. So getting into the surf is highly discouraged throughout the weekend as Henri passes by. Coastal flooding, we do have concerns for some minor coastal flooding, especially in the back bays as we head into tonight and through the day tomorrow. So future weather going to show us that heavy rain continuing to stream in throughout the overnight period, seeing those heavy pockets developing where we could see some localized flooding. Maybe a little bit of a break tomorrow morning. Then as the storm moves to our north and jogs a little bit to the west, we'll see more rain wrapping in, especially for our far western counties into tomorrow night. Then Monday morning, coming back towards the city and South Jersey, we could see a few lingering cells as we head late day into Monday. Otherwise, things will start to clear out as we head into Monday evening. Henri is gone by Tuesday, but back in the forecast, heat and humidity with high temperatures in the low 90s, Joe, by Tuesday.
Lauren, thank you so much.